When people think of displaying metrics, they often picture a wall full of complex graphs and charts. While this kind of detailed analysis can be useful, it is not an effective way to engage employees and drive improvement. This is where visual metrics come in. Instead of simply displaying as much information as possible, visual metrics only display information that is relevant to the work being performed. These metrics need to be based upon the perspective of those performing the work and should be directly relatable to tangible process improvements. Visual metrics can be used to keep track of a variety of important factors, including production targets, quality, safety, and cost. For example, large electronic signs can be used to display production targets, actual output, and the variance between the two in real time. The next step is to display other metrics that will allow you to identify the possible causes of any variance. A display documenting the hourly occurrence of common defects would allow everyone involved to take notice when defects are occurring in unacceptable quantities. If the number of defects on this chart rises above the yellow line, it indicates that the production team should be on high alert. If the number rises above the red line, it indicates that the process should be stopped and immediate corrective action is needed. Safety metrics can be displayed on a monthly calendar, on which days without accidents are marked off in green, and days with accidents are marked off in red. Although it is a very simple method, it quickly conveys the important information. Days marked in red will quickly draw attention. Another useful metric to display is the number of absent employees. Color coding should be used to differentiate between scheduled absences, such as vacation time, and unforeseen absences, such as sick days. This is used to track the number of absent employees per process, not to single out individuals. By displaying this information for each day of the month, everyone who views the chart will quickly be able to recognize when a process is understaffed. This information is vital for effective personnel management. Another good example of how a cost-related metric can be displayed on the shop floor is the use of charts documenting the consumption of oil in machines. This chart records how much oil is delivered to each machine every month. In addition, it displays the facility's total oil consumption compared to its estimated target. The person who delivers oil to the machine is responsible for recording the amounts that are delivered and calculating monthly totals. Having metrics displayed for factors such as production targets, quality, safety, and cost allows those performing work to interpret the correlations between them. Many different types of metrics can be used, but the basic idea is always the same. Displaying metrics in real time empowers employees to solve problems. In this way, visual metrics engage and inform the workforce. This builds a strong foundation for continuous improvement and establishes a framework for maintaining that improvement.